Are you afraid of maths? Is maths like a scary dinosaur to you? We often hear people say, I hate maths or I'm not good at numbers. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to make the fear of maths disappear. I'm going to share some simple and practical tips on how you can overcome the fear of maths. I'm sure if you apply these techniques, maths will become your friend and you will actually start enjoying maths. Mathematics may not be your favorite subject. That's all right. We are all different. We have our likes and dislikes. So how do I motivate myself to study maths? If you can see how maths is going to be useful and important for you later in life, then you'll feel much more motivated to study maths. So first, let me ask you, what is your passion? What do you want to be when you grow up? I guarantee you, whatever your answer is, maths is going to play a big role in your life and in your job. Now, whether you want to be a computer programmer or an engineer, you definitely need maths. Or if you want to be a doctor, you need maths to analyze the data of patients, to prescribe the correct dose. Or whether you want to be a designer, architect, chartered accountant, you name it, you're going to be using maths day in and day out in your jobs. So maths is used everywhere. And I remember the interview of a cricketer. He said that during the match, we need to mentally calculate what is the runs that we need divided by the number of overs. So they need to do the correct maths, because if you do something wrong, you could end up losing the match. Maths is pretty much used in each and every field, whether you realize it or not. And we use maths in our everyday life. Like for example, when you go grocery shopping, you need to check the bill, right? Or when you're looking for discounts and sales, you're doing some calculations of the amount you saved. So we are using maths all the time in our daily lives, in the banks, to manage our finances, savings. Maths is super important. So this is what I'm asking you to do. Connect your passion to maths. Discuss it with your parents, with your teachers, how maths is going to play a role in your life, in your passion. Then I'm sure you'll feel how important it is. You'll really feel it from inside that I need to do well in maths. And this is going to make it easier for you to study maths, because now you're totally motivated and committed. Now you know why it's important for you to study maths. Let's take a look how you can be good at maths and overcome the fear of maths. Here I love the famous quote by Paul Hamos. The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. So maths is all about practice, practice and practice. The good thing about mathematics is it's less about memorizing and more about practice and application. So you need to regularly practice maths. Make it a goal to practice every alternate day. It's just like exercise. The more you practice, the better you'll get at it. Make your maths muscle stronger and practice every alternate day, and it becomes a habit for you. Now, common question is, which book should I use to practice mathematics? Because there are so many books available in the market out there. Out of all the books, I would highly recommend for CBSE Class 10, the Oswald's One for All Mathematics book. In this One for All book, for each chapter, there is a mind map and summary in the beginning, which is great for revision. There are practice questions broken down topic-wise, and detailed solutions are given so that when you practice, you can check if you got the answer right. I really like the answering tips and commonly made errors mentioned in the book so that you don't make the same mistakes in the exam. The book is according to the latest CBSE curriculum for 2022. So you can get all the latest stuff in this textbook for the exam. And as the name suggests, one for all, it's got everything in one place. So it's really a great book for you to have. I'll put a link to the Oswal One for All book in the description below, so do check it out. I would not recommend buying too many books, otherwise you'll get confused. You can use your school textbook and this Oswal One for All book. We know that practicing maths is important. Now, what are some smart strategies to practice maths in a better way? The first and most important thing is to first understand the concept and then practice. Let's say you're studying a topic like coordinate geometry. Don't directly rush into the sums. Take time to understand the concept. What is coordinate geometry? What is its practical application? Why are we using it? Because when you understand the concept, you'll enjoy practicing the sums and the concept will stick in your mind. And once you get the logic behind the sums, why you're doing it, you'll start finding maths really easy. So remember, first understand the concept and then practice. And to help you clear your concepts, do check out the full courses on our website, manochaacademy.com. We have courses for mathematics, for CBSE and ICSE boards. We also have physics, chemistry and biology courses. In these courses, you'll be getting live classes from me and you'll also get pre-recorded videos, quizzes, questions, mock tests, notes and lots of good stuff. You can also ask doubts. So do check out our courses. I'll put the links in the description below. And I'm sure you'll find the courses really useful and helpful and they're available on big discounts. So do share it with your friends. How do you make maths practice both easy and fun? Use the principle that boxing coaches use. The boxing coaches first make the boxer practice with weak opponents and then slowly move to stronger opponents. Why? Because self-confidence and self-belief is super important. So apply the same principle when you sit down to practice maths. First try the easier questions, the simpler sums, and then move on to the harder questions. And you'll realize that the hard questions are not so difficult after all. So treat maths like a challenge, like a puzzle. Your maths textbook is like a book of puzzles. So just like you solve a Sudoku puzzle, take each sum as a puzzle and try to crack it. And once you have this mindset shift towards mathematics, you'll find that maths is no longer the scary dinosaur that you thought. It will become your pet. You'll start finding mathematics easy. And if it helps you concentrate, you can turn on some music. I remember in my school days, I would turn on Michael Jackson songs while practicing mathematics because it would help me stay motivated and focus. And the more you practice mathematics, you'll find you'll get better at it. It will start becoming easy for you. Another very important tip to improve your math skills is toss the calculator. Don't use it. Do the calculations yourself mentally or on paper. That will improve your calculation speed and you'll develop your own tricks on how to do the calculations better. Because if you're in the habit of using the calculator regularly, you'll feel helpless in the tests where you can't use it. So don't become dependent on it. Do the calculations yourself and improve your math skills. And this will help you a lot later in life when you become a manager or let's say create your own startup, because you'll have to take a lot of quick decisions and you'll have to do these calculations in your head. The top CEOs are good at calculations and numbers. They need to make quick decisions in the meetings. So toss the calculator and make your brain a quick calculator. I would like to end with a beautiful quote on mathematics. Math may not teach us how to add love or subtract hate, but it gives us hope that every problem has a solution. So when you're practicing mathematics, you're not just learning maths, you're learning problem solving. And that is a great skill to learn. It's a skill that will help you every day and in your future. So I hope this video has motivated you to study maths and overcome the fear that you may have. Treat it like a challenge, like a puzzle, and keep practicing. And do check out the Oswal Maths book in the link below And I've also put the link to our website manochaacademy.com. And if you liked this video and found it useful, do share it with your friends and family so that it can help more people overcome their fear of maths. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our videos. So keep learning and wishing you all the very best. And do check out the full courses for physics, chemistry, biology, maths and computer coding on our website manochaacademy.com. I'll put the links below. Hope you like it and happy learning.